Good afternoon, holiday families. So I've been getting a lot of questions about how to log into your students' Gmail and Google Classroom accounts. So I thought I would make a little video for you to kind of help you out, give you a little tutorial. So here I am at at the Google homepage in Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser. And so I'm going up here to sign in. I'm going to click sign in, and it's going to come up with what email you're going to use. So my email is here. Your child's email is going to be their full first name, last name initial, and the last four of their lunch number. We will definitely be able to get you their username and their password depending from your classroom teacher. So once you put in the username, it's at kcmsd.net. This .net is very important. It's not uh, .net is very important. Then we're going to hit next, and we're going to put in the password. The passwords will be something that your classroom teacher will have access to. Depending on their age is one thing or another. Um, but that's something that you need to talk to your classroom teacher about. Then I'm going to hit next, and it's going to say that I'm logged in. So I'm going to come over here to the waffle. This is the Google waffle. So it's it's a 3x3 square with 9 dots. And I'm going to click on Gmail. And this is going to pop up with my personal KCPS Gmail account. And then same with your students. And then I'm also going to go click on that waffle again and click on classroom. And it will pop up all of my classrooms that I'm either a student or I'm a teacher of. And you can kind of see I'm a part of a lot. So here's my classrooms, my personal classrooms, Google Classroom, so that way you can kind of see what it looks like. It looks a little different for teachers than it does for a student. So here's one where I am a student. So here I can see everything that has been posted by Ms. Webb or Ms. Barlow or Ms. Green that I am needing to have access to. I can also click on where it says classwork, and it will show the same thing, organized in different groupings. People will show you what students and what teachers are involved in the classroom itself. So that way you can be able to talk with them directly. And so that is a little bit of a tutorial on how to get into Google Classroom and how to get into your child's Google account. If you have any questions, please let us know. Contact your classroom teacher for your student's username and password, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye!